In today's video, we will do the replacement for 2012 Honda Odyssey. First, we open the trunk. On the corner of the taillight drum inside, there are two screws that we will take out using Phillips screwdriver. We'll need to take those screws out one by one. Once both the screws are out, now we hold the taillight from the bottom right side and from the left top side and then pull the taillight outwards. There you see the tail light popping out. It was holding on to these two brackets right there. Now we take out both the plugs, just press and hold the tab and then pull the plug outwards. First plug is out. For the second plug, I tried to take it out with the same approach, but somewhat I was not able to pull it out. It was a little more tight in its spot. So instead what I did was I took the plastic trim remover tool, and by using the edge of the tool, I pushed the tab and then pressed the plug outwards until it came out. There we got the second plug taken out as well. With that, we are done taking out the taillight completely. Now in case if you just want to change the bulbs, all you have to do is just turn this plug anti-clockwise and then take it out. The same way you take out the other bulb as well. Turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it outwards. Both the bulbs are taken out. In case if you just want to change the bulb, all you have to do is just pull the bulb out. Suppose you got a new bulb, you just put it back, does not matter this way or the other. You just put back the bulb the same way you took it out. Same for the other bulb. Take it out, doesn't matter this way or the other, put back the new bulb. And then you install both of these plugs back to the tail light. Now whenever you're putting these bulbs back, just make sure the teeth of the plug match with the teeth of the tail light. So the white one goes to the bottom side right there. Install it by matching the teeth. And now turn it clockwise. There we got one bulb installed. Similar way we install the second bulb with the plug. You can also keep turning it until it goes in. There it goes in. Now you can turn it clockwise. And both the plugs with the bulb are installed. Now we install the wired plugs to the tail light. The bigger plug goes to that V-shaped one. You will hear a clicking sound, and that's a proof that it's been completely installed. The other plug also needs to be installed the same way. Once the plugs are installed, make sure that these two go into those two holes right there. And that is what we will do by installing those two brackets into those two holes. Apparently it seems like it's been installed properly. Now we will go ahead and install both of the screws. Both screws are installed. With that, we are done with the replacement of tail light. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.